Hello, my name is Joel Bennett, and I am one of the designers of ILinkWell. I want to thank you for participating in our research study and remind you of the different ways that you can earn points toward a raffle by doing things in ILinkWell that not only earn you points, but actually help you, your health, and your behavior toward health. So let's begin. Listen carefully, because the cues I'm going to be giving you can not only, like I said, change your health, it can also change your life. So here's how you earn points in ILinkWell. Remember, ILinkWell has three different sections. There's Explore, there's Plan, and then there's Play. Let me break down within each of those different areas what you can do to earn multiple points multiple times so that you're accumulating points for whatever purpose. In some cases, you might have a business where you can actually use those points to convert to a raffle prize or a gift. Okay, so in the Explore section, there are two key elements: a survey, or multiple surveys, and resources that come from those surveys. So when you take a survey, you're actually assessing yourself and your needs in the different areas that ILinkWell covers: diet, exercise, mood, stress, drink, and energy. So whenever you take a survey, you're benefiting yourself because you're reminding yourself of what you need. Then guess what? When you finish taking the survey, you get feedback, and that feedback directs you to resources. Sometimes those resources are actually customized for your workplace or your setting. Whenever you look at those resources, you earn points. Some of the resources actually are additional educational activities. Whenever you do those activities, you earn points. So remember, in that first section, Explore, you have surveys, which you can take multiple times, and resources that you can use multiple times. So that's your first section, the Explore section. So let me tell you why the Plan section is my favorite section and why you will benefit most from using this. It's based on theory and research that shows that when we think through our well-being or wellness plans all the way through to the intentions and the challenges and the situations we're going to face, and we anticipate those challenges and come up with affirmations to address them, and when we remind ourselves about this, we set a pattern up, a habit, a routine that allows us to move forward through life. So as I talk through the 7 steps of this plan section, think to yourself, it's worth taking the 5 minutes to set up a plan, 5-10 minutes to set up a plan. Not only will you get points for doing it, and remember to save, you will also set up a pattern that could change your life for the better. So the 7 steps, and I'm going to go through them very quickly, are the category, again, mood, stress, diet, exercise, energy, then the situation, the specific situations you're facing in that area, then the intention that you have for that situation, the challenge that you're going to potentially face in that situation, an affirmation that you will tell yourself to address that challenge, and the action step, very important. What specific thing will you do to move yourself ahead in that area of mood, stress, diet, and exercise? And then the reminder is that last step. Again, we have set it up so that when you put your reminder in, you can change how often you want the reminder. It comes to you through an email. So those 7 steps are the broad brush approach. And when you finish with those 7 steps, and I mentioned them in order, you also have the ability to do your best. That is, you can say, every day, did I do my best in following up on my action plan? I guarantee you, based on research and theory, that if you were to do this, you will achieve the outcomes that you are facing. So those are the 7 steps. Now, the last area where you can earn points, and it's the fun area, is the play section. We have a game for you. It's a simple game. It's actually kind of deceptively simple, because as you play the game, you can earn more and more levels. We actually have a leaderboard, and the areas of the game that you're dealing with are our 6 areas: diet, exercise, stress, mood, etc. So it reminds you when you play it to make sure that you're doing the positive behaviors that move you toward your goal, and that you avoid the negative or unhealthy behaviors that take you away from your goal. So those are the 3 areas that you not only earn points in, but when you do these things, you're actually improving the chances of improving your mental health, your well-being, your coping, and your physical health as well, and your energy level as well. Again, they are Explore, which has your survey and your resources, your Plan, which has a very systematic series of steps that you take to set up a plan, and then your Play section. I encourage you to use all of these sections as much as you can and have as much fun as you can doing so. Please contact us at ILinkWell at Organizational Wellness and Learning Systems if you have any questions, and we'll work with you if you have any need to improve in your area of well-being. Thank you so much.